What's going on, everyone? This is Kevin Breeze here, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the Visible R2, which is a new smartphone that's designed by ZTE exclusively for Visible. You can see on the side of the box here that it says that it's a phone service in an app, and that's one of the things that makes Visible unique, is that it's designed to be millennial friendly and easy to use and easy to set up. On the back of the box, there are some directions here, so when you get the phone, you need to insert your Visible SIM, download the Visible app, and activate, and then from there, you can text, talk, surf, and stream, whatever you want to do. So let's open this on up and see what's in the box. Alright, so the first thing in the box is the actual phone itself. We're going to put this off to the side and look at that in a little bit. There's a piece of cardboard. There is a Visible R2 quick start guide that has information about the device. We have a USB-C cable for charging and data transfer, and we have a ZTE branded wall adapter. Alright, here is the device. Let's peel off the plastic off the front here. Looks very clean. You can see there's Visible on the screen here. So the device features a 5.45 HD Plus display. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 425 processor, 2 GB of RAM, a 5 megapixel front-facing camera, a 13 megapixel rear-facing camera, a USB Type-C port, and a microphone on the bottom, the slot for the SIM card and microSD card on the left side, the power button and volume buttons on the right side, the 3.5mm headphone jack and the noise-canceling microphone on the top, and in addition to the camera on the rear, we also have the flash, fingerprint sensor, and the speaker. The device also features a 3,200 mAh internal battery. Now, one of my favorite things already with this phone is this material on the back side. This is really unique looking, and it's almost really hard to show off through the camera just because it looks so interesting and different. But this material is just really different, really interesting, and I've really never seen anything like this on a smartphone. It just looks great and feels great to the touch. The material also feels really durable and doesn't seem like something that would absorb fingerprints, which is great to see. Then on the side we have this like plasticky, chrome looking material. It is plastic, it's not metal, but still, I mean, considering that this is a budget device, it has a really good build quality overall. Now the actual device itself is available from Visible for $99, and that's really an incredible deal. I mean, this device definitely feels like it could easily be a $200 device, if not more than that. And the fact that this features a Qualcomm Snapdragon 425 processor, which is a premium processor for budget devices, is really outstanding to see. Overall, this device feels way more expensive than it actually is. The display is also super crisp too, which you might be able to tell through the camera. It's just really great looking, the colors are awesome, and overall, just a great surprise. So my first impressions of the Visible R2 are really positive. I'm a big fan of the design of this device. I really like that material on the back side, really unlike anything I've ever seen from a smartphone before, especially a budget smartphone. And I think Visible and ZTE in this partnership here did a great job at designing the device. At $99, it's priced to be a starter smartphone, but really, I mean, this could be an upgrade for a lot of people out there. Another great thing about this too is that it runs stock Android. The only app that I could see that's been added is the Visible app, which is something that you'll need to get started with Visible. So when you get your SIM card, just insert it into the device, fire up the Visible app, and you're good to go. So all in all, I'm a huge fan of the Visible R2, really impressed overall with the entire unboxing experience and the device itself. I'm looking forward to doing some long-term coverage of this device and making more videos about it in the future. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll see you in the next video.